What happens when you buy a laptop from ILIPUTER? So simple. You receive the stocks or shares of ILIPUTER based on your entire amount that you have invested at ILIPUTER. So you are going to receive the stocks of the company and you are going to receive the product, this product. If you choose ILIPUTER product, you are going to receive this laptop. You see, I'm using this. You are going to receive this laptop as a gift. Look, you're going to receive this laptop as a gift and you are going to receive stocks. Okay, after 3 years, 5 years, you have used, benefit, enjoy using the laptop and now you have stocks. Maybe that stock after 5 years worth $50,000, maybe $10,000. We don't know. You only spend a little bit money for purchasing your own laptop. Okay, if you compare this business model, I mean the ILIPUTER business model, with traditional business model, you see you lose money if you purchase from other brands because you don't have free product and you don't benefit from the success of the company. But here from the beginning, we double your money. Half, we give you the free product, we give you stocks. As time goes on, your value of the stocks are also increasing. That's what we are doing at ILIPUTER. Do you love this business model? Do you want to order your own laptops or computer products, other gadgets from ILIPUTER and to become investor, to make money, build wealth for yourself, for your generations? Or do you want to keep buying from the traditional business models in order to lose money? Which one do you prefer? If you prefer ILIPUTER, contact ILIPUTER team at this moment. Go to ILIPUTER.com. You can contact us. Put your comments under this video. Let me know what you think. Do you love ILIPUTER? Do you love to buy from ILIPUTER? If yes, let me know why. If not, also let me know. That's all. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Put the hit bell icon and also, check out the videos that may pop up here or here. These are for you. People, I've created this ILIPUTER, the company, this business model for you. I want to add value into our societies. I want you to have a little bit more wealth, live with more happiness. Why not? Look, why not? Till now, before now, you hadn't this privilege, but now you have. You have this privilege to do what? To be investor when you want to buy a laptop. In order to do what? In order to grow, to make money, and also enjoy free laptops. So, that's all. Love you all, and also check other videos that may pop up here or here. Till the next one.